It's still money. Do you ever feel like life's greatest rewards are locked away, just beyond your reach? It's still money. What if I told you the key has been sitting in your pocket all along, but you've been too distracted to notice? Picture this: a seed, tiny and unassuming, buried beneath the soil. It's still money. It doesn't look like much, does it? But under the right conditions, nurturing sunlight, rich earth, and steady rain, it transforms into a towering tree, capable of weathering storms and providing shade for generations. Now, imagine this seed is not in a garden, but inside your mind. And instead of growing branches and leaves, it grows wealth. It's still money, success. Here's the twist: every monumental achievement, every world-changing idea started the same way, as a fleeting thought in someone's mind. It's still money, a moment of imagination that was watered with belief and persistence until it became something undeniable. But there's a secret most people don't realize it. It's still money. Your thoughts aren't just ideas, they're energy. Think about it: energy attracts energy. When you vividly imagine a life of abundance, joy, or success, you're not daydreaming. It's still money. You're aligning yourself with the very forces that can make it real. Close your eyes for a moment. Picture yourself standing in your dream home. You can feel the cool marble under your feet. It's still money. Hear the soft hum of the breeze outside. Smell the fresh scent of success. In that moment, your brain doesn't care if it's real or imagined. It believes it's happening. And belief, it's still money. That's the first step to creation. The more detailed your vision, the more magnetic it becomes. Feel the rush of gratitude as if you've already achieved it. Listen to the applause. It's still money. Taste the sweetness of triumph. When you involve all your senses, your imagination becomes the blueprint for your future. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. It's still money. Your subconscious mind, the silent architect of your actions, doesn't differentiate between reality and your mental rehearsals. When you see yourself as successful, it's still money. It rewires your thoughts and behaviors to make that image your reality. It's why athletes visualize winning races before they even step onto the track. And here's the kicker: it's still money. Doubt and fear, they're just shadows of old thoughts. They only have power if you feed them. Shift your focus instead to belief, persistence, and abundance. It's still money. These are the tools that reshape your world. Now let's talk about faith. Not blind faith, but the kind that acts as if the goal is already yours. It's still money. This conviction ignites inspired action. The kind of effort that doesn't feel like work, because you're driven by clarity and purpose. It's still money. Think of faith as your compass and action as the ship. Together, they navigate the waters between where you are and where you want to be. But remember, it's still money. Action without belief is like a ship without a destination. It drifts aimlessly. Challenges will arise, but what if I told you they're not barriers? They're stepping stones. It's still money. Each obstacle is a chance to refine your vision, to test your resolve, to grow stronger. If you see them for what they truly are, temporary detours, they lose their power to hold you back. It's still money. Here's another secret: the people around you are like mirrors. They reflect and amplify your energy. Surround yourself with those who believe in your vision. It's still money, and you'll find your resolve strengthened. Protect your mental space fiercely, letting in only what fuels your growth. To begin each day with gratitude, as if everything you've dreamed of is already here. Feel the joy, the relief, the excitement of living your ideal life. And when doubts creep in, it's still money. Return to your vision, revisit the blueprint in your mind. Gratitude is the fuel, faith is the engine, and action, that's the journey. The truth is, you already hold the key. It's still money. The power to create, to manifest, to grow beyond your wildest dreams. It's been within you all along. Your thoughts, your focus, your unwavering belief, they're the tools. So, it's still money. What are you waiting for? The seed has been planted. Now, it's time to nurture it into something extraordinary.